Are you tired of the traditional 9-to-5 work schedule and looking for ways to earn money online? With the rise of technology in the internet, making money online has become more accessible than ever. In this video, we will explore the top 10 proven strategies for making money online that you can start implementing today. Whether you're looking for a full-time income or just a side hustle, there's an option here for you. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is a great option for those with skills in writing, graphic design, web development, and more. Platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to create a profile, showcase your skills, and apply for jobs in your field. Freelancing can offer a flexible schedule and the ability to work from anywhere in the world. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. Companies such as Amazon, ClickBank, and ShareASale offer affiliate programs that allow you to earn a commission on every sale made through your link. 3. Online surveys. Online surveys are a simple way to earn money in your spare time. Companies such as Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, and Vindale Research offer cash rewards for completing surveys and other simple tasks. 4. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is an e-commerce model that allows you to sell products online without holding inventory. You create an online store and promote products from a supplier, and when a customer makes a purchase, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. Platforms such as Shopify and WooCommerce offer easy-to-use dropshipping solutions. 5. Online coaching. Online coaching involves sharing your expertise with others through one-on-one or group sessions. Whether it's fitness, nutrition, or business coaching, platforms such as Zoom and Skype allow you to connect with clients from anywhere in the world. 6. Content creation. Content creation involves creating videos, podcasts, or written content on a specific topic and monetizing it through advertising, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. YouTube, Twitch, and Patreon are popular platforms for content creators to earn money. 7. Online teaching. Online teaching involves creating and teaching courses on a specific topic. Platforms such as Udemy and Teachable allow you to create and sell courses on a variety of subjects, from photography to language learning. 8. Virtual assistant. Virtual assistants provide administrative support to individuals or businesses remotely. Tasks may include scheduling appointments, responding to emails, and managing social media. Platforms such as Zirtual and Fancy Hands connect virtual assistants with clients in need of their services. 9. Stock trading. Stock trading involves buying and selling stocks in the stock market to earn a profit. Online trading platforms such as Robinhood and E-Trade allow individuals to easily invest in stocks, even with little experience. 10. Selling handmade goods. If you have a talent for crafting, selling handmade goods online can be a great way to earn money. Platforms such as Etsy allow you to create a shop and sell your unique creations to customers worldwide. Making money online can provide financial freedom and flexibility, but it takes hard work and dedication. By implementing these top 10 proven strategies, you can start earning money online today. Whether you choose to freelance, become an affiliate marketer, or create content, there's an option for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring these methods and see what works best for you.